Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a super simple trick that will save you a ton of headaches, how to lock a block in your WordPress website. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to prevent accidental edits and keep your content safe and organized. Let's dive in. Logging into WordPress. First, head over to your WordPress website and look for the login option at the top right corner. For a faster and more secure login, click on Continue with Google. Simply select your Google account and you'll instantly be in the back end of your site. No hassle, no password memorization. Accessing the site editor once you're logged in, go to the Quick Links section on your dashboard. Click Edit Site to open the site editor. This is where all the magic happens. You'll see your site exactly as it appears to visitors, and you can start editing blocks directly. Selecting the block next, find the block you want to lock. It could be a paragraph, an image, or any other content block. Click on it to activate its editing options. Up in the top navigation bar, you'll notice a three-dot icon. That's where the hidden options are waiting for you. Locking the block, click on the three dots and look for Lock in the drop-down menu. Hit that, and your block is now locked. This is perfect if your site has multiple editors or if you have finalized design elements you don't want accidentally changed. Once locked, you and your team can confidently edit other parts of the site without worrying about breaking layouts or content. And that's it. By locking blocks in WordPress, you preserve your layout integrity and make site management a lot smoother. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more easy WordPress tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.